Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything!
Morph, morph!
Let's go!
Yay! April!
Morphle! Morph into a ball!
Whee!
I wish I could morph into fun things too.
I've got an idea!
Huh?
Glitterpug can transform us into magic pets!
Can you turn us into Morphle?
Let's play a game! The one who bounces the highest wins!
What? Ah, great!
Morph helicopter!
Whoa! Whoa!
Yay! Morphle win!
Is that Mr. Vanderboos? Oh, this can't be good.
Let's follow them.
Try landing, April!
This is not easy.
Oh no! They hit the crane!
Morph bouncy ball!
Orphel's okay, but the crane's still rocking.
Don't worry, Builder Mary. I am here to help!
Quickly, Morphle! Morph into an airplane! Woohoo!
Phew.
I want to be a robot this time.
Oops! Sorry!
I have another idea to catch him. Let's work together. Stop right there.
No!
Yeah, we did it! You two caused a lot of trouble in the city.
I'm sorry, Mila and Morphle. I shouldn't be a Morphle anymore. Can you transform us back, please, Glitterpug?
No! I was having so much fun!
It was fun, but being a Morphle was so hard. I'm happy to be myself again.
There can only be one Morphle and one April, and I love you both.